think they're just going to get the loose ends off? Or do you think they're going to try to demolish it?
This is why, now, this part is where I think we need this. Well, maybe not.
I don't think
If
so.
it's just that post.
Look at that fire hydrant, man. We may see, we may see some water show.
Look at that thing shake. There we go.
The old bridge ain't giving up the ghost yet.
Those little plates.
See, if those were out 10 feet, you'd have a little more leverage on them too. But he can tell you right now, you can probably at least 20 feet of those on there, as strong as they are. Look at how strong those things are.
Grab that thing right in the middle, yank it out.
I was thinking that now, if that was 10, 12 feet longer, you could use that leverage as a big fulcrum.
Oh, that's true. Well, you were worried about it wobbling a little bit?
Yeah, I'm not now.
Not now.
What time is it, John? Anyway.
Quarter to 12.
Oh, nice. Quarter to 12. Today is November 4th, 2013. It's a Monday. John, you could probably cut a 5-foot section out of the center of that bridge and they'd span that far.
Yeah.
That thing is built like a bomb shelter. That's what Jerry said. Jerry laughed at me too. He says, John, he says, you really think you need cross braces in those things? I go, well, I was thinking I did.
Yeah, you don't now.
Not now. That excavator is one powerful piece of equipment. Yeah, it'd be safe as can be to leave 15 feet of those land beams out there. Just cantilever them out.
Yep. Yeah, he ain't going anywhere.
Nope. I can't believe how strong those steel straps are. I mean, look at that.
Look at that thing, and that bridge is moving.
That thing is not even quite. Jerry's going to laugh his head off when he sees this. I think you told me we didn't need braces too.
I did.
All right, all right.
But the thing is, each segment is designed so that it's self-supporting.
Right. What had it been, I guess, so they probably built that and then set those big beams in the center.
Come out, buddy. it, screw with the metal. Leave it. Pull out that center beam here. There it is.
Into the recycling pile.
That's gonna be work. There's your work.
Yeah.
Come on, baby, grab it.
The bridge and the excavator are having a stare down.
Down there.
Oh yeah, it's
Sawdust coming out, dirt. Things about ready to blow.
Yeah, I think it is about ready to come loose from there.
There it goes.
Whoops. Gotta take a little of the shear value out of it. Oh, insulation. What? Seriously?
Hold that pig.
Now it doesn't have any shear value as much as it did. Watch that fire hydrant, man. Yeah, I don't know about that. If they don't get that fire hydrant, it's going to be a miracle. If I was him, I'd go that way and I'd pull that thing that way. Attaboy. Okay, bridge down.
They're going to get both sides done today.
Yeah, I think so. Not unless they start grinding it up like they had been.
Oh, come on, man. I can't stand to watch that.
Took them 10 minutes to get that down.
So, think about that for at least the ends.
Yeah.
If I were them, I'd get the other side too and be done with it.